Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Luis. We're back with another video. It is pitch dark outside. I'm on the Action 5 Pro. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys what my rig looks like for the Action 5. This is what I call a professional vlogging kit, or at least it's my version of a professional vlogging kit. This is all these accessories that I'm about to show you on this rig is what I use when I go travel, when I go out and do any sort of vlogging. This is what's in my vlogging bag, which you guys know it's the Peter McKinnon 5-liter bag. It's my go-to bag for vlogging. It fits everything I need and power for multiple days without even having to charge this camera. So, all right, guys, we are now on the Osmo Pocket 3. And sorry about that. My neighbor always, for some reason, even at night, no matter what time of the day, I'm out there filming. Somehow the dogs always need to come out when I'm out filming. I don't know why, it always happens. Anyways, let's get right to it. I wanted to show you guys in this video my vlogging kit for my Action 5. I've been really loving this camera and it has replaced my Osmo Pocket 3 in terms of vlogging purposes. My Osmo Pocket 3 now is my desktop talking head type of camera, and I think it's amazing for that. I still think this thing is amazing for vlogging too. It's just that my only concern about this thing is because of how expensive it is now, and the amount of times I feel like when I take it out, I feel like I have to baby it, like I have to be very careful with it, has got me to just leaving it on my desk and using it for videos like this where I need to show up something super close like this and it actually focuses. And then this will just be straight vlogging, travel, and everything else. I wish that this could focus like that, but it doesn't. It's locked in at a 2.8 and infinity focus, I think, or whatever they do with this thing, but it doesn't have a focus system like this where you can like put your hand and it focuses and all that stuff. Either way, this is what I'm using, obviously Action 5, and then I have the small rig cage with it, and it looks like this. Affiliated link, guys, on the description. This cage is made out of like a hard plastic. Is very similar to the one that comes with the Action 5, except this one actually, the cool thing about this one is that it actually opens up all the way like this, so you can easily access your battery and your memory card. And that's why I really love this one. Another reason why I got this one and don't use the DJI official one is because, first of all, that door, and then second of all, this one, unlike the other ones, I've seen some other ones that are like metal and like aluminum and all that stuff, and they look pretty sturdy. But this one, this small rig version one, I really love because it has this cold shoe in the front. And the cool thing is, it's open in the front and in the back too, so you can slide something in the front and in the back. And the reason why I wanted the front is because I wanted to be able to mount my microphone on here and use it as a shotgun mic. So let me show you. For those that follow me, you know that I love the mic minis, and the cool thing about this cage is that I can take the little magnet that comes with the mic mini, and then it slides right in here. Check it out. So you can slide that right in there, and it's pretty sturdy. It's like you can put it in there like that, and then look at this, boom, that smacks right there. Now you got a little mini rig. Look how tiny this is with a shotgun mic right in front of it. And the cool thing is that I'd rather use this instead of the internal mic because this has a windshield on it, and I always use the windshield on all of my microphones. When you're outside and if you're using the internal microphone and you get a little bit of wind, you're gonna ruin the audio. It's always gonna catch. Unfortunately, DJI doesn't make a windshield for the internal microphone or the camera. I don't know why. I tried looking it up some third-party ones, but I couldn't find any. If somebody knows of one, please let me know in the comments. Put a link there for everyone to see. But I tried looking one up, and as of a few days ago, there wasn't one out yet. So I use the DJI Mic Mini, and I just really love it. It's pretty strong and secure up there. If you don't want it there, you can always mount it on the side here too, because you'll also have another cold shoe right here on the side, if you can see right there, and then you have one on the bottom too, like those little tabs right here at the bottom. But I like to use it like this because the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is the mini Osmo extension rod here. This is here, there you go. This is my number one thing that I attach to the camera and I use for vlogging. I have the one that came with the adventure pack, which is the extension rod, but that one extends up to 1.5 meters. That's too long for what I need. I do like it though, and I do recommend to still get the adventure pack, because that extension rod is really cool for if you're out on hikes and stuff like that. You could just get a really nice, cool, like panoramic type looking view, just because of how far you can extend it and how wide the lens is on the Action 5. But this one goes, I want to say maybe 1.5 feet, which is perfect. It's like the perfect distance for vlogging. So what I do is I'll mount this on here. It's got the magnetic mount, so super easy. And then I can just vlog like this. And I got the shotgun mic here. And if you guys watched my silent vlog video, this is how I was vlogging that day. I was sitting up in the front and I had this camera like this with the shotgun up there, and you guys can tell the microphone sounds amazing too. So it's got a pretty nice range, and I'm surprised because I have this thing at -12. You guys know, if you've seen my audio setting videos, I keep my microphones at -12, which is the lowest signal possible, and that's how I'm able to get this sound that you guys listen to. If you guys like my sound, that's where I keep it at, -12 mono. And then I don't turn on noise cancellation at all. So that's part of the rig. And then let me show you my favorite lights. So whenever I vlog at night, or I need a little bit of a fill light, for whatever reason, I have this light right here by Ulanzi. This is the LM18 light, and it's super tiny like this. It's got one little button. It's very light and very small. Like, I have small hands. Look how tiny this is. This is super tiny. And this has the Action 5 hookup clip on front of it, and that just goes right here like that. Look, magnetizes there, and it's ready to go. This kit is very light. And if you hold the light here, oh no, there it goes. So then you have a nice little light there, so I can just easily point it and vlog. It's daylight, 5600K on the light. But then if you click the button once, it gets even brighter. And then this is the lowest setting. So it goes 1, 2, and 3. 3 is very bright. It's what I was using. I think, no, I was using level 2 outside. So level 2 is probably about as strong as I ever use it. If I'm inside, I'll keep it at level 1. And it's just like a nice filler light for when you're like filming in a low light situation. Maybe you do have some street lights and stuff like that, but you want to fill yourself in. This thing has like a little soft box in front of it. It's super light, very easy to just like attach it back in there. It's so easy. I keep this in my bag. It charges, recharges USB-C, and the battery is amazing on this thing. So that's kind of like my full rig right there. I do keep a 512 gigabyte memory card, and that gives me about, I want to say almost, I think it's 12 hours or 11 hours of recording. I record in 4K 24 frames, and it lasts all day. I went to Vegas and I didn't even fill half of it. Like that's a lot of recording, especially when you're doing talk head videos. Sometimes you might do like 10 minutes, 5 minutes here and there. Like, it's not, or even shorter clips. It's not, you don't need a lot of space when that micro SDs are so cheap now. But I have an affiliate link. This is my whole entire kit, guys. I just wanted to show you guys. I've been having a lot of questions on my favorite accessories, and this is pretty much it. DJI Mic Mini has a shotgun mic, little light, mini extension rod, ready to go for vlogging. And this whole package, guys, is super light. I can take it off, I can unclip it, and then I can easily mount this with the light in my car if I wanted to. And you guys have seen my car mount is also in the affiliate link. But that's pretty much it. If I want to just take this off, I can even just hold this on my hand, but I'd rather have the handle. It just feels a lot better for vlogging. And it's kind of awkward holding this in your hand. I recommend getting one of these. They do have some aftermarket ones, but I'm picky. I like the DJI brand ones, and I think they're just well made. And look at this. It's like a little, it's just so fun using this thing. I love it with this little stick. All this fits in my, I guess I should show you the bag before I leave. The Peter McKinnon 5-liter bag, and it's this cool, it's like a 1 cube setup. I can fit everything on here. I typically carry a V-mount battery. Go check out my vlogging kit video and I'll show you kind of what I carry in there. But as far as Action 5, this is my rig, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a super minimal rig that's ready for all kinds of lighting situations outside and inside and everything like that, this is what I use. And if you want to keep that motion blur, carry a pack of NDs with you for that cinematic motion blur. Now, as you guys know, you will sacrifice some of the stabilizing, you know, in the background, but I don't think it's that bad. And it does make the footage look really cool. If you really want to, you don't have to, you can just go full auto and the stave is just like rock solid. So, or as they say, rock steady. So anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I didn't want to leave you guys without a video. I couldn't wait to come back and make something for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, the affiliate links are on the description below. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Peace.